In the beginning, tutorials are going to make a lot of sense. You have a start and end point, a clear explanation along the way, guidance on what exactly you're doing and what you can expect from a finished product. All of a sudden, nothing is going to start to stick. And that's not necessarily because you're burnt out, but you hit a plateau. So let's talk about why tutorials stop working and break through those plateaus much faster. Tutorials are great at teaching concepts, patterns, helping with confidence. After a certain point, everything you need to learn is not going to come from watching, but it's going to come from actually building. They do a very good job of giving you a starting point and the end point, which could be considered a roadmap on how to do what it is that you're looking to get accomplished. Real coding is going to force you to develop that roadmap yourself. Without that struggle, your brain doesn't know how to actually grow in this space. You're never going to pick up the skill, the practice, and the repetition that you need in order for your developer career to grow. Your brain is going to become great at recognition, terrible at recall. Recall is one of those skills that you want to possess as a developer. You want to be able to recall patterns. You want to be able to recall concepts. You want to be able to recall ways to debug issues because these things are inevitable, are going to come up as you're developing your projects. The key to this is to delay the desire to build those big fancy projects that are very complex and take days upon weeks to build. Start small, start simple, start ugly. Go ahead and break things, build something fast, ship that messy project. That's what's going to pull you out of that plateau. I'm not saying tutorials are bad, you're just outgrowing them. It's time for you to go ahead and take the next step in your developer journey and to move along from a tutorial and go ahead and start to build things on your own and ship immediately.